Got it, so I need a business account to make sure everything's separate. That sounds simple enough. But how does that connect to building credit?
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Stephanie Cole, and today we're going to talk about how to build business credit with your EIN. Now, before I dive into the steps, let's quickly talk about what business credit actually is. It is a financial reputation for your business. Similar to your personal credit score, your business credit score helps lenders, suppliers, and even potential partners assess how risky it is to do business with you. Step one, register your business as a legal entity to start building business credit for your business. Business needs to be separate from your personal finances, okay? The easiest way to do this is by forming a legal business structure like an LLC or corporation. When you register your business as an LLC or corporation, you're officially creating a separate legal entity for your business. This means your business can now have its own EIN bank account and, most importantly, its own credit history. Once formed, once you formed your LLC or corporation, don't forget to apply for an EIN from the IRS. This is like a social security number for your business. It is required to open business bank accounts and apply for loans, and most importantly, build business credit. Step number two, open a business bank account using your EIN. This is crucial. It shows that your business is officially separate from your personal finances. You need your EIN, your business registration documents, and any other legal paperwork to open an account. Once it's open, make sure you keep all your business expenses separate from your personal expenses. This is key for tracking cash flow and building a solid financial foundation. So, step three, you want to register your business with the credit bureaus. There are three major credit bureaus that track business credit. You have Dun and Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Business. Equifax Business. To get started, you'll want to apply for Dun's number from Dun and Bradstreet. This is just a unique identifier for your business. It is essential for building business credit history with them. Okay. Plus, many lenders and suppliers check your Dun and Brad number to evaluate your business. Okay. It's free to register for a Dun's number, and once you have your number, you're officially on the map with them. Don't forget to check if your business is already listed with Experian and Equifax. And step four, establish trade credit line. This is one of the fastest ways to start building business credit. Trade credit is when you get goods or services from vendors and suppliers, and they allow you to pay at a later time, typically in 30, 60, or 90 days. Look for suppliers who report payments to the business or report payments from your business to the credit bureaus. This is very important because a lot of trade accounts, they do not report. So make sure you do find a trade account that actually does report, because the whole point is to build business credit. So vendors who do report, like Yulin, Quill, and Granger, often offer net 30 terms, and they report to the credit agencies. Okay. So start by making small purchases, and always remember to pay your invoices on time or early. These positive payments being reported will help build your credit history. So step number five, apply for a business credit card. A business credit card is another great tool for building business credit. Many credit card companies report your payments to the bureaus, so using your card responsibly can have a big impact on your business credit score. Remember to use your card wisely. Aim to keep your utilization rate under 30%. So that means if your card has a $5,000 limit, try not to carry a balance higher than $1,500. Another example would be if your credit limit is $20,000. Try not to carry a balance higher than $6,000. And always remember to pay your bills on time.